What's up guys, welcome to Cryptogalaxy. The explosion of NFTs over the last year has led many companies to integrate non-fungible tokens into their ecosystem, and Twitter is the most recent. The social media company recently announced that now you can showcase an NFT that you own as your profile picture on Twitter, as long as you have Twitter Blue. Last year, Twitter launched Twitter Blue, a paid service subscription that allows users to access premium and previously unreleased features such as editing published tweets, reading ad-free news, uploading longer videos, and more. NFT Profile Pictures, one of its newest experimental features, allows iOS users to connect their crypto wallet and choose an NFT to upload as their profile picture. We'll show you how to turn your NFT into a verified profile picture on Twitter in today's video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and enable notifications so YouTube can notify you when new videos are uploaded. For a long time, Twitter has been an NFT battleground, with cryptocurrency investors hosting spaces to discuss the technology's future and lauding large purchases while the rest of the world makes right-click save jokes. As part of a new partnership between Twitter and the NFT marketplace, OpenSea, NFT owners will now be able to prove ownership of their NFTs and use them as verified profile photos. Anyone with an NFT and a blue Twitter subscription can flaunt it with a fancy new hexagonal profile photo shape and a special NFT metadata page by connecting a cryptocurrency wallet directly to their Twitter account. Connecting your wallet and verifying your NFT is super simple if you own a cool NFT and want to flaunt your crypto art on Twitter. To use Twitter's new NFT verification tool, you'll need to meet a few requirements. To begin, you must have an active subscription to Twitter Blue, the platform's paid profile option that includes premium features such as undo tweet button and organized bookmark folders. You'll also need an iOS device because, for whatever reason, this new feature is currently only available on the iOS mobile app. Also, you'll want to go for NFTs that come in the form of static images. That includes JPEGs or PNG files. Moreover, the NFTs have to be minted on the Ethereum blockchain to work on Twitter. Finally, one of the following cryptocurrency wallets must be used to store your NFT: Argent, Coinbase Wallet, Ledger Live, MetaMask, Rainbow, or Trust Wallet are some of the wallets available. For a smooth connection with Twitter, you must have the app on your preferred wallet installed on your phone. It only takes a few minutes to add your verified NFT to your profile once you have all the necessary tools. To begin, tap the Edit Profile button to the right of your profile photo on the iOS Twitter app's profile page. Tap the camera icon over the profile photo on the Edit Profile page, then tap Choose NFT. If you're connecting a cryptocurrency wallet to your Twitter account for the first time, you might get a Twitter Blue Labs explanation of the feature. To connect your wallet, click the Connect My Wallet button below. Select the wallet host you'd like to connect to your Twitter account from the list on the next page. After you make that choice, Twitter should connect with the app you choose and ask for permission to view your public wallet address, as well as send a verification request message to that address. You'll be asked to confirm that your own private keys to your public crypto address, as well as to fill out a signing request that includes your Twitter handle. To avoid accidentally giving someone else access to your wallet, make sure the signing request uses the twitter.com domain. To complete the connection, follow the on-screen instructions in the Twitter app. You'll be able to see a gallery of all the NFTs in your wallet on Twitter once it's connected. Tap the NFT you want to use as your profile photo, then tap Done. Your NFT should now be your profile photo, complete with the gleaming new hexagon-shaped border. You'll be able to see a gallery of all the NFTs in your wallet on Twitter once it's connected. Tap the NFT you want to use as your profile photo, then tap Done. Your NFT should now be your profile photo, complete with the gleaming new hexagon-shaped border. You can't connect multiple cryptocurrency wallets to your Twitter account at the same time right now. You can only connect one crypto wallet to your Twitter account at a time. If you're already displaying an NFT profile picture and would like to use an NFT held in a different wallet, you'll simply connect that new wallet to your Twitter account. You'll do this from your settings under Edit Profile. Click your profile picture and select Use Another Wallet. If you select or transfer the NFT in your profile picture, the hexagon shape of the profile picture reverts to a circle. The image remains the same as the NFT you previously owned, but it won't display any NFT details to suggest ownership. If you see someone else with an NFT in the hexagonal shape as their profile picture, tap on their profile picture and then on View NFT Details to learn more about their NFT. You'll be able to see things like the NFT creator, the current owner of the NFT collection, along with a summary, the NFT properties such as rare traits, and NFT details like contract address, blockchain, token ID, and token standard. More information such as an explanation of what an NFT is can be found at the bottom of the NFT page. You can also view the NFT in the marketplace by tapping on any of the links. This appears to be our version of the blue verified checkmark. So imagine that people who own some of the most well-known NFT collections out there right now, such as Cool Cats, Bored Apes, or CryptoPunks, will be able to see that they actually own those assets, which not only add legitimacy to the NFT space, but also allows people to flex their assets, which is super cool. While the process runs smoothly, some members of the NFT community on Twitter have already raised concerns about the verification process and how the information is displayed on the profile. Poked around Twitter's NFT profile setup, and it doesn't actually verify that the NFT is legitimate for your profile picture, so you can technically mint anything and make it your profile picture to get a hexagon, including anyone else's picture. You right-click, saved. Lol, Paul E. Cheesesteak wrote on Twitter. So it appears that someone could steal an impressive rare NFT from a popular collection, mint it as an NFT in a less visible OpenSea collection, away from prying eyes, and pass it off as their own with the hexagonal profile photo. Twitter is in contact with OpenSea to ensure that the NFT belongs to a specific user, but there is no system in place to check for duplicates or fraudulent NFTs. Of course, the above-mentioned information pane would contain all of the information required to verify the NFT. That pane would indicate if it came from a stranger and false collection. However, many people believe that no one will look that far and will take people's word for it when it comes to hexagonal image. What can Twitter do to help with this problem? They could make the OpenSea compatible only with verified OpenSea collections, removing any doubt about the authenticity of any NFT displayed on Twitter. However, this would obviate the need for a lot of people to use this feature. Anyone who wants to show off a cool NFT that isn't part of a large verified collection, the Twitter Blue team has yet to respond publicly to these concerns. The new feature is only available to iOS users at the time of this video. According to reports, the feature will soon be available to Android and desktop users, who will be able to display their NFTs as hexagonal-shaped profile images as well. Visit Twitter Blue's Twitter profile for more information on how to join, or go to the Help Center page on Twitter Blue for more information. The good news is that Twitter is enthusiastic about cryptocurrency in general. With NFTs, it aspires to be the social network for NFT blockchain and crypto technology, discovery, discussion, and education. The Wall Street Journal quoted Twitter's Esther Crawford as saying this: "Crypto is a key pillar of Twitter's future. We want to support this growing interest among creators to use decentralized apps to manage virtual goods and currencies." The exec said, "This is just still very early days for us, but we wanted to build something that was a utility for this community that they could start interacting with right now." If you found value or enjoyment in today's video, please subscribe and like it. It'll be greatly appreciated. With that said, we'll catch up with you later.